It's Hannah with WTI, and I consider myself a little bit blanket obsessed. So you can trust me when I say that this muslin throw blanket is one of the best I've ever had.
This is where comfort really meets craftsmanship. This is the king size muslin blanket from KyraHome, and it is just so cozy. It's made from cotton and it's a lightweight gauze blanket and it's been pre-washed, so it has that ultra soft feel and it's layered for breathability. It is a really generous size. It fits on my king size bed, but also makes the perfect thing to snuggle up with on the couch. And because it's designed for year round use, you'll be comfortable, cool when it's warm out, or warm when it's cool out. I am on such a muslin kick lately, and this one really meets all of my standards. It's easy to care for, and it is comfy.
If you want to be extra cozy, then you need to get this blanket. Believe me when I say you are going to love it, and that's my point of view.